Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. There's been so much news for Ripple and XRP recently. This out a few days ago, obviously you guys know about this. Ripple Network expands as banking institution in Kuwait, launches cross-border remittance service, and I know Alex Cobb and a few other YouTubers touched on that. I found this article too. Former Wall Street investor Big Chance crypto is the best performing asset in 2019. And so as Wall Street tanks, investors are looking to put their money into something that will perform in 2019. And I know the Digital Asset Investor did a video discussing the people who are actually leaving Wall Street to join the crypto revolution. And this is yet another guy, Travis Kling, a former Point72 asset manager executive, a hedge fund that oversees $12.4 billion in assets, said there's a big chance crypto becomes the best performing asset in 2019. You know, and he brings up a good point down here. Crypto has never existed during a bear market in traditional assets. BTC was birthed at the very beginning of the largest monetary experiment ever, globally coordinated QE, which is quantitative easing. And for those of you who do not know what that is, quantitative easing, also known as large-scale asset purchases, is an expansionary monetary policy whereby a central bank buys predetermined amounts of government bonds or other financial assets in order to stimulate the economy and increase liquidity. So we saw this in the last crash where the government was bailing out banks. They needed to kind of pump money into the economy in order for it to be able to survive the huge meltdown. So, you know, there are a lot of contrary opinions to this. And of course, you can't just pump money into an economy and expect it to be all better. It's like a band-aid solution, right? I don't want to necessarily get into quantitative easing, but basically what this guy is saying is that Bitcoin was birthed out of this. The whole idea was cryptocurrencies could be that decentralized measure to help individuals gain wealth, transfer wealth without the system. And so ending quantitative easing is causing pain. There's a significant chance crypto is the best performing asset class in 2019. And so this comes back 10 years later. And so what will we see? Will more investors enter crypto? This week, the US stock market officially entered a bear market as the NASDAQ composite lost more than 20% of its value within one quarter, while the market would have to drop an additional 20% to delete 2017 gains, which was the best performing year in recent history. A steep sell-off in the broader financial market has started to largely impact both large-scale conglomerates and small-sized businesses. So Kling, who now operates a cryptocurrency-focused fund, said that it makes sense for the crypto market to bottom before the stock market achieves a bottom. Considering the intensity of the sell-off, the U.S. markets, and the struggle of the Chinese economy, you're already seeing that, been seeing it all year, would make complete sense to me that crypto would bottom out months before traditional asset classes. So he's suggesting crypto is already bottomed out. It already has a 1 year head start on the traditional market. So we're already seeing the bottom for crypto. And now that the traditional stock market is crashing, indeed, the math just makes sense. Crypto will probably see the best returns in 2019 for investors. Just a point I like to put out there. But of course, more Ripple and XRP news. Lykke exchange proud to support XRP with USD and BTC trading pairs, and this is another exchange. XRP continued to get a green signal around the world. The adoption of XRP by Swiss-based cryptocurrency exchange Lykke, or Lykke, don't know how to pronounce that, was yet another great announcement, which was widely appreciated by the XRP community. Announced on October 30th, so it was a while ago, Lykke Exchange rolled out XRP trading pairs with USD and BTC with zero trading fees. So yet another exchange rolling out trading pairs. Though 2018 has been a lousy year for many companies, which runs on cryptocurrency mechanisms, I think that's spelled wrong, but XRP's achievements keep pouring very well. Okay, Lykke allows users to trade XRP directly via the Lykke Wallet mobile application and web terminal. Lykke is a semi-decentralized trading platform for virtual currencies and fiat. The exchange offers the trading of all possible assets, including fiat to fiat, fiat to crypto, and crypto to crypto. Nevertheless, it offers to trade with zero commissions and fees and has its own native token called LKK. Though the exchange is not in the limelight very often, it provides different services, including liquidity, insurance, and consulting to clients across the world. So you guys, yes, yet another exchange now using XRP. I think we're going to see one day XRP is basically going to be used to transfer everything. That is my prediction. I think that we're going to see a day, now that is far in the future, I think it might be 10 years away. All these exchanges are adding XRP as a trading pair. I think we're going to see XRP to trade fiat, definitely to trade crypto to crypto. I think we're going to see it to trade stocks. I think we're going to see it to trade, to transfer the wealth of anything. You know, fiat to stocks. I think we're going to be able to eventually be able to do something like exchange your stocks straight to crypto. There's not going to necessarily be that middle step where you have to liquidate your stocks, get cash, and then use your cash to buy crypto. I think that it will all be so tightly integrated and so efficient down the road that we are going to see XRP become the asset that transfers the value of everything. And I know a lot of people have already said that and commented on that. But if you really wrap your head around it, think of the possibilities, guys. Think of the possibilities. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.